Sup everyone, welcome to a new motor vlog. Today we're gonna tour with McCann, just the two of us. We're in the middle of Groningen and we are going to ride I'm going to ride my, I think, second trip. I'm gonna ride it with McCann. Enjoy the ride, guys. Today it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. I have the Calimoto app on, but I'm not used to it, so I hope everything will be fine. The reason why I picked this route or trip is because I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it with Elmer and his dad, and there was somebody else. I don't remember his name, but yeah, it was a really nice trip. So that's why we're gonna do this again. Hopefully, if nothing breaks down. Let's go. It's not good for me, man. Too much attention. Oh. Hey, welkom to Groningen, bro. Maar scooter is je gewoon inhalen. Hoornstraat. I think I fixed my helmet, guys. I adjusted the screw under my visor. Apparently that's a thing with helmets. I didn't know. And now, if I'm right, there is no wind or not a high pitch or whistle in my helmet, which is exactly what I was what I was after. So hey, I don't need a new helmet, guys. Nice. Oh, vis bro, vis bro, vis. Ah, gratis. Gratis stoel, bro. Even ergens een kabeltje fixen.
Yeah, boy.
Bismillah. We took a little break and now my phone is almost empty, so we need to get a cable I love this bike, man. Wow, dude, it's really nice. The tank bag of mine is just so big, dude. I think I'm not gonna ride with it anymore, but I have to find a way. There's so much space here, like, oh my god. Yeni Çapın videoya hoş geldiniz. Gazlıyoruz. Alright guys, after a fish break, I got rid of my tank bag. I put it in my bag, on my bag. And I flipped the camera. As you can see, it's now flipped. Good news, I ordered a Zoom H2N. With that, I can record my engine sound, which is minimal, a little bit better. So yeah, I don't think that McCann really enjoyed the twisties. Not yet, maybe later on. If not, then that's also fine, no worries. The tires are cold, so I can feel the front slipping a bit away. Also, a nice thing, Moto Stars asked me if I wanted to be in one of the videos, so that's also great. I'm gonna see if one of the, like, I had like a short clip, maybe that will be in the compilations video. That's also great. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. I can start to feel when my tires are a little bit colder. The bike stutters or just skips. Like this is really minimal, but the bike skips on the road in the corners. Like it's the emotions that I get from this bike is the same that Jeremy Clarkson got from the Pagani Zonda. At the moment when he said like, and go, and go, and go. That's such a historical moment. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, look up the video. I will put down a link in the description. When you go up to 11 or 12,000 RPM and you're thinking like, yeah, this must be it, you just shift up and it all starts over again. Is really scary, dude. From 5 to 8 it just whoa, and from 9 to 11 it's just not asking for a new gear. But when you gear up, when you shift up, it's like you get a kick and then it starts all over again, man. God. I get the chills, man. It's so fine-tuned when you shift up. There's no unsettling or unbalancing the bike. It's just so stable. it just stays and you get this kick. I'm not even releasing the clutch that fast, but it's just like that boost, that kick that you get in your back, and it just starts all over again, man. Ja, nu zit ik in 2. Doe maar. I feel like there's something missing in this bike after 200. But I get, like without the tank bag, and when I tuck in, like exceeding 200 is way easier. With the tank bag, it's like stops at 190. I'm just picking up too much wind. But that was great, dude. That was lovely, man. Oh, it's cold. It's cold as ice. Ooh. Toscana, Toscana. I want to give a shout out to Noord Onboard. I've met him at the Barbier, the bike shop, and he is like a fellow moto vlogger here in the Netherlands. He vlogs like Dutch. His vlogs are Dutch. He has, I think, great editing skills. I can learn definitely from him. He's a chill rider. He doesn't go really crazy and all, but you know, I've checked out his videos and I can watch his videos from the beginning to the end. You know, you have those vloggers where you just skip parts, and you have vloggers where you watch the entire video. I've watched his entire videos. Like, that's great. That's his retentions are, for me, it works. It's quite good, so that's nice. So go check him out, Noord Onboard. Here is his picture, and down below, check out the link. I will put a link to his channel. That's it, guys. I'm gonna go home. We're gonna check the footage. I'm gonna make I hope a nice video. If you guys like this video, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys. Love you so much. Bye. Peace.